BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The Stock Steamroller.
I'm Steamroller Paul. It's time for me to start working. I'm going to flatten all the obstacles. Haha! How nice! Today's work is going well. Whoa! That's a pretty big rock up ahead. I'm going to crush you to pieces. Ouch! Oh no, what's going on? My big roller drum is all broken. Who can help me fix it?
Paul, you're quite heavy, you know.
I'm sorry about that. It's all because of my drum. It weighs a few tons.
William, good job.
Super Mechanic Barry, I'm going to leave him with you now.
No problem. Dear friends, let's repair the steamroller together. Oh, Paul, your drum is all deformed.
I know. What do you think I should do? I really need the drum so I can do my job.
In that case, I will repair it. Hoi! 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 Next, we are going to polish the drum. All right, Paul. Try moving it now.
Why can't I get it to move?
So, we need to scan the inside of the drum to find the problem. Oh no! The gear inside is all broken!
Super Mechanic Barry, do you think that my drum can still be repaired?
Don't worry, I'll solve it. Let's take off the outer layer first. Now we're going to take this off. Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho. Look, we found the broken gear inside. Now we take it off.
Stop it! That tickles! It's making me laugh!
Now, we're going to use a different tool. Hoi! 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 Oh, this is not easy. Let's attach the new gear. Hoi! 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 And now the rest of the parts too. Paul, the gear has been changed. Try moving it again.
Look! My drum is now rolling so fast!
The repair is done, dear friend. Good job!
Thanks a lot, Super Mechanic Barry! I'm going to get back to work now!
Goodbye!
Steamroller Paul is back on the job! And this time I'm so powerful! I can flatten any obstacle! Aha!